Today, we're diving into the Epson V12H809001 custom micro-adjustable projector mount ceiling kit. This versatile mount is designed to make your projector installation a breeze. It features Century's technology, allowing for effortless fingertip positioning that adjusts seamlessly to support various projector weights. One standout feature is the integrated cable management system, eliminating the need for extra accessories to keep wires tidy. The Q-Lock quick-release lever ensures swift connect and disconnect, making lamp and filter access convenient. Security-wise, the integrated key and lock mechanism provide peace of mind against theft. Compatible with a wide range of Epson projectors including the EX 100, 21, 31, 51, 71, 90, VS240, VS340, VS345, and Powerlight series like 12XX, 19XX, 4650, 4750, and 4855. This mount offers flexibility in use. Its ceiling mounting type ensures optimal projector placement for various spaces, whether it's a conference room or home theater. In terms of design, the mount comes in a sleek white color that blends well with most ceilings, maintaining a professional and clean appearance. The adjustable feature allows for precise alignment, ensuring your projector delivers optimal image quality without compromise. Overall, the Epson V12H809001 custom micro-adjustable projector mount ceiling kit stands out as a reliable choice for anyone looking to enhance their projector setup. Whether you're setting up a new system or upgrading an existing one, this mount combines ease of use, security, and compatibility in one package. If you're serious about getting the best out of your projector, this mount is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.